So the first thing to do is greet and identify the patient. So good day ma'am, I am Nika Dave Ivy Guzman, your student nurse po ngayon. And may I know your name, age, and birthday po?
My name is Francesca Laika J. De Guzman, 14 years old, and my birthday is June 29, 2011.
Next is explain the procedure. So ngayon po, we're going to assess your musculoskeletal system. So while doing the assessment, magkakaroon po tayo ng several tests. Like, I'm going to ask you to do a flexion, rotation, and supine po. So, next naman po is provide privacy. So, close the window or doors. Then, next is position client appropriately and comfortably. So, upo lang po kayo, ma'am. Upo lang po. So, ngayon... Dawa naman. So, next step is position the client appropriately and comfortably. So, upo muna po kayo. Comfortable naman po ba kayo?
Yes po.
Then, next is inquire client history of presence of muscle pain and associated signs and symptoms, limitations to movement, loss of function, or previous or current problems involving musculoskeletal system. So, sa mga past history nyo po, nagkaroon na po ba kayo ng muscle pain?
No.
Nagkaroon na po kayo ng injuries?
No.
Nakakaranas po ba kayo ng panghihina po sa mga musculoskeletal nyo po, like sa mga joints po? Thank you po. Then, next po is, magpaproceed na po tayo sa inspection. So, I will be going to observe your ability to perform functional tasks of daily life, such as hygiene, sitting from hygiene, rising from sitting and standing, then walking up and downstairs. So, walking on a level surface. So, I'm going to note of any pain the client experiences while performing functions that are being examined po. So, ngayon po, the first thing that we are going to do is I'm going to observe yung pagtayo niyo po. Tayo po kayo. May masakit po kayo nararamdaman?
Wala.
Po kayo? May masakit po kayo nararamdaman?
Wala.
Then tayo po uli kayo. Then walk po kayo papunta dito. May masakit po kayo nabihin?
Wala po.
Then upo po uli kayo. So ngayon naman po, I'm going to ask you to stand po. So aakyat lang po kayo dito, then bababa, then aakyat po. To check po kung kaya nyo pong mag-perform ng like walking downstairs po. So, okay na po?
Yes.
Go po. Baba po. Akan po. Then, baba po. May pain po kayo na nararamdaman?
Wala po.
Thank you po. So, ngayon naman po, sa extremities na po tayo. So, i-examine ko po yung arms and legs niyo po. So, I'm going to note the symmetry, muscle mass, and deformities po. So, hawakan ko po yung kamay niyo po. Wala po. Then, sa legs niyo naman po. Yan po yung both. So, okay naman po yung extremities niyo po sa arms and legs. Wala pong deformities, wala pong muscle mass like nodules or lesions po, wala. Then, symmetry naman po siya. Ibig sabihin, equal naman po, pantay naman po siya. Then, ngayon naman po, I'm going to assess the spine, assess for range of motion like flexion, extension, then lateral flexion, and rotation. So, and lateral or arterial-posterior upo po kayo, then yung paa niyo po ay ilagay niyo po dito. So, I'm going to ask you, flexion po is, pupunta po kayo forward, then yung ulo mo. So, may pain po kayong nararamdaman. Yan. Flexion po, then extension. So, may pain po kayong nararamdaman.
Wala po.
So, next po is rotation. Pupunta po kayo sa left side niyo po. Kabila naman po. May pain po kayo nararamdaman.
Wala po.
Thank you po. So, we're done po sa spine. So, I'm going to assess all major joints po, noting any limitations or to activate motion, swelling, or redness. So, mag-start tayo sa neck po. So, we're going to assess flexion, extension, and lateral rotation. So, I'm going to ask you flexion po. Yuko po kayo. Then, balik po, extension. May pain po kayo naramdaman.
Wala po.
So, rotation na po tayo. Sa to, titingin po kayo sa kabila. Go po. Then, dito naman po sa kabila. Isa pa po. Isa pa po. May pain po kayo nararamdaman.
Wala po.
So, normal naman po. Wala naman daw pong pain or so, normal naman po. Wala naman po siyang pain na nararamdaman. So, upo na po kayo ulit. Then, next is sa shoulder. Ma-assess na po natin yung shoulder po by flexion, extension, and rotation. So, start po tayo dito. So, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Then, gawin niyo po sa kabila. Flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Then, next is rotation. So, rotate po natin siya. Then, sa kabila naman po. So, may masakit po.
Wala po.
Then, next po is sa elbow na. So, elbow, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Then, sa kabila, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Then, supinification, ganyan po yung palad. Then, supination, pronation, supination, pronation. So, may masakit po.
Wala po.
Then, next naman po is sa wrist po. So, flexion, extension, flexion. Then, next is flexion, extension, flexion. Then, ulnar, radial, ulnar, radial, ulnar, radial, ulnar, radial. May masakit po.
Wala po.
Then, next naman po is sa fingers na. So, flexion, extension, then abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction. Sa kabila naman po, flexion, extension, flexion, extension, then abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction. So, may masakit naman po.
Wala po.
So, now na po is we will be going to assess your hips naman po. So, pwede pong humiga kayo. So, sa hips na po tayo. So, we will going to flexion, extension, then rotation. So, tataas ko po siya. Flexion, extension, flexion, extension, then rotation. Sa kabila. May masakit po.
Wala po.
Thank you. So, next naman po is sa knees po, assessing flexion, extension. So, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. May masakit po.
Wala po.
So, sa ankle na po tayo. So, we were going to dorsiflexion, plantar flexion, inversion, and and eversion. So next is dorsiflexion, plantar flexion, inversion, and eversion. Dorsiflexion, plantar flexion, eversion, and eversion. Post na po tayo. So we will be going to assess flexion, extension, abduction, and adduction. So first is flexion, extension, flexion, extension, adduction, abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction. So may masakit po?
Wala po.
Thank you po. So now po, tapos na po tayo sa assessing or inspection po. So we're going to palpate na po. So I'm going to palpate the joints of the neck and upper and lower extremities. Then, while palpating, inanood ko po yung tenderness, swelling, temperature, limitations to passive range of motion, and crepitation. So, upo na po kayo ulit. So, papalpate ko po yung neck na and the upper and lower extremities. So, may pain po kayong naramdaman while doing the palpation?
Wala po.
Wala din naman swelling and yung temperature naman po is okay naman din po. So, next is papalpate ko naman po yung muscles. I-assess ko po yung size, tone, and tenderness. So, sa mga muscle naman po tayo. So, meron po ba kayong pain na napipil?
Wala po.
Then, yung size naman po is symmetry naman po siya. Wala pong nodules or enlargement po. Wala din uneven size. So, next is sa spine na po tayo. So, ipapalpate ko po yung spine, noting any bone deformities and crepitation. So, talikod po kayo. So, papalpate ko po siya. So, okay naman po yung spine. Wala naman tong deformities or even din naman po siya. Wala din pong enlargement po ng bone. Then, next is percussion. So, magpa-percuss po tayo sa spine from cervical to lumbar region. So, using the ulnar surface of the disc. So, I'm going to note any pain or tenderness.